like the bull.
Hey, Wyman. I see that bull.
You better enjoy what
He says, I want to get on the bull. You're on a horse. Yeehaw! Oh, you didn't get a little kid, did you? I love that.
Are you filming that?
Yes. He says, I want to get off this thing now. He's all right. He's all right. Just wait. Well, I thought he'd be like ecstatic.
He just thinks he's going to run back up here and get back on it again when he gets ready.
Yeah, we're like not. I don't know. We might come. They're pretty cool. You got the backpack? You should have had your cowboy hat, huh? Say thank you. All right, come on. Let's. Was that fun? It was? Okay, good. Love you.